The Indian Space Agency lost communication with its Chandrayan-2 lunar mission on Saturday. The loss is a significant setback to an ambitious plan to land an unmanned probe near the south pole of the moon, an area that remains unexplored. The control room went quiet as updates stopped.
Vikram lander descent was as planned and normal performance was observed up to an altitude of 2.1 km. Subsequently, the communications from the lander to ground station was lost. The data is being analyzed.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted that he remains hopeful and that India will continue to work hard on its space program. The next phase of the mission would have been for a rover to travel on the surface of the moon to collect minerals and chemicals, which would have been analyzed remotely.